The next leap in fleet safety is AI Dashcam from AutoDefend. The camera with artificial intelligence that analyzes road conditions and drive behaviors to prevent accidents before they happen, not after them find the video footage. It's a private tolling design with excellent hot cooling, strong anti-vibration, and special only for commercial vehicles fleet. Now, let's check how it works. Welcome to log in www.autodefend.com, a brand for lifeguard, asset protect.